Ket Matlala funded the ANC through Brown Mokgotsi as they were buying the ANC's membership. Let us look at this testimony by Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, the head of crime intelligence in the South African Police Service.
Mr. Matlala or one of his employees makes payments to Mr. Mokgotsi directly, sometimes for expenses related to the African National Congress events, and in particular for the benefit of delegates of such event who are apparently linked to the Minister Mchunu through the Chief of Staff, Mr. Nkabinde, in the office of the Minister. Then number two, in return, Mr. Mokgotsi uses his influence within the SAPS and the ministry to manipulate SAPS processes so as to frustrate criminal investigations into Mr. Vusimuzi Matlala. Also leaks highly confidential or classified information of the SAPS to Mr. Matlala. Also coordinates the payments from the SAPS to the Medicare 24 Tshwane District, a company owned by Mr. Matlala.
Okay, guys. Here the crime intelligence head in the South African Police Service, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, was giving testimony at the Madlanga Commission, the commission which has been instituted by President Cyril Ramaphosa after the allegations that were made by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, who's the police commissioner in KwaZulu-Natal, that there's political interference in the operations of the SAPS, not just political interference, but also the cartels, the criminal syndicates. So the general here, Dumisani Khumalo, was giving evidence in terms of how that has been happening. This also exposes and confirms what we've been saying, that the ANC has become nothing but a criminal syndicate itself. The ANC has become a criminal entity itself, where the ANC's membership, the bulk membership, meaning people who are joining the ANC, are no longer paying for their membership. Their membership is being paid somewhere else by certain groupings. That tells you that that membership belongs to those groupings. So you no longer have active branches of the ANC. This explains why you no longer have active branches of the ANC with programs to address community-related issues. That's because this membership has been bought, right, in bundles. In bundles, it is being paid by certain people. And in this case, Ket Matlala is one of the people who have been doing so. So this tells that the ANC is funded by criminals, and the ANC itself has become a criminal entity. The ANC has become a criminal entity, and therefore the ANC itself is now posing a danger and a threat to the stability of this country and to the lives of many black people in this country, because the ANC has become a tool at the hands of these criminal syndicates and cartels. Because once they own the membership, once they pay this membership and all of that, then it means in terms of the policy directions, the decisions that the ANC leaders make are the decisions that favors the cartels. You see. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tibus Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the Voice for Africans. These guys, join the membership. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you very much, guys.